Okay, hello dear friends. So I put this into this little bottle. I like spray, it's so fun. It is quite not evaporating, quite wet. It takes something like 5 minutes or something. So we wait a little bit. Maybe I should have a fan or something. It's so very hot. Yeah, so this is it. And I do feel, I hope this does not sound too much like a sales pitch. And it does feel a little bit my skin is getting smoother, which I do feel. And how many minutes? This is only 1 minute. So we give it some time. It's so extremely hot. Yeah. So the other day I was listening to video. There was one very successful business woman, and she owns $1 billion companies and things, and she does on YouTube have a podcast interview. I am not so much into this kind of anyway. It's just something not so much that I am touch my point, but there is something she mentioned that really touched my point. And she said that makeup video and this kind of personal care video is easy to get people noticed. If you start a business, this is easy for you to start. She was talking with people who wants to start a YouTube channel and what content to make, those kind of things. And she mentioned one thing. There are several things that she mentioned that will be good for a starter. And one of it is this makeup things. So I suddenly feel that if this is absolutely makes sense. This is why they become so successful in business, in life. And this is why we become so loser in life, because we cannot see it. And they can see it, and they are very smart at it. So just imagine, you need to go for 8 years, 10 years, many years to study science, mathematics, to study this and that, to do some science video, painting video, cooking video. All this takes a lot of time, a lot of practice. But if you do makeup video, you do not need to go to school. And the investment is zero. Do I make any sense? You want to make educational video. You want to make some video that you think helping the world and make a difference in the people's intelligence. then it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of money. You need to go to school, you need to do homework. But if you do makeup video, you do not need to do any of this. You do not need to go to work. You do not need to go to school. You do not need to... You get the idea, right? You do not need to make that much effort, to spend that money. So making makeup video is pure money making. Is pure money making, right? And people are interested in it because you do not need to go to school to learn it, right? You do not need to spend a lot of money to learn the skill. Everyone can do it. Old woman, like 60 years old woman, can do it. If you cannot do it good, you can do it bad, right? And when you do it good, you get people criticize you. And when you do bad, you get people laughing at you and you get more views. Isn't it a good thing, right? So, and I think for everything there needs some different quality. If you do educational video, you need to have knowledge and self-conscious, well, and many things. But if you do makeup video and do skincare video, you do not need any of that. It's zero start and virability and easy to go viral. And the only thing you need is that you have a deficit of shame and an overload of self-admiration. Does that sound right? Okay, I will stop telling truth, okay? I promise I am no longer. No, I will not promise. I will stop telling truth. So that's the skincare I got. If you cannot do good, you can always do bad. And you have more chance to be successful when you do not good. Because you are different and unique and authentic. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye.